Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Leominster Local, and Long Distance Movers near me. 3 Movers, a local moving company in Leominster, can help with the following: a free budget and price range analysis, spotless packing supplies and moving vehicles, expertise in packing materials, appropriate planning. The moving company is a favorite of the locals. Ask about them, and you will surely hear only positive reviews. Leominster Long Distance Movers help you correctly package and fit your items into their state-of-the-art safe moving trucks. 3 Movers pricing is affordable and transparent. You will also discover that their packaging service is second to none. Trust Leominster Movers to handle your items right, regardless of how delicate they may be. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Leominster moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.